Canon, Canon PIXMA, Canon PIXMA. This here is serial. This here the year type, the driver to load and click enter, and this here for the new website, the driver. You click here. This here for official website. So website loading. Okay, and this here the new landing page, the website, and click here for the driver, and this here for the your operating system. This here the tag automatic for the your operating system Windows 8 and my operating system Windows 8. And if you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for the view all operating system, and this here for operating system for Mac 12 and Mac 11. This here for Mac 8, and this here for the Windows 11, and this here for the Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP support. This here for the Windows Server support and Linux support, Chrome OS support. This here for the all operating system, and you're testing for the Mac 12. Click here. This here for the Mac 12 automatic your install for the your printer, and your if you tutorial install for the Mac 12, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect automatic for the cable printer before you connect the before you put USB printer. You connect the laptop for the Wi-Fi. This here for automatic install for the Wi-Fi. Okay. If you need download for the Windows 11, you select here for the Windows 11. This here for the recommended for you. This here for the Windows 11 support. You looking release update, and this here for this driver will provide a full printer and scanner functionality for your product. And this here for the driver setup package for the your the printer. uh this here for I am recommendation for here the driver recommended for you. This here for the driver recommended, and you look in the software, and this here for the like your operating system Windows 11. This here for the software Windows 11, and package the software, and this here for recommended for the software, and say this here for the firmware not support the for the firmware, and back to the driver, and select your operating Windows 11. And this here for the Windows 11, you look in the download or you click the tile. If you need looking this here for the operating system for the printer and scanner, and USB scanner for the this here for the from a network connection for the USB. Okay, and this here for the compatible for the your operating system for the this year for operating system for the Mac 12 and for the Mac 11, and this year for the Windows 9.1, Windows 7, Windows 8, and this year for the Windows 7, Windows 9.1 again. This year for the language support, and your system requirement and setup. You look in the tutorial install. Is installing products, and you download file, and for the location where this field is saved, you check at the computer setting, and double click the download file exe. This here for the file that the compress and install will be start automatic install. Okay, and if you need to download here, you click for button download, try for download and click button download. This here for the disclaimer, and this here for the download for the official website. Okay, okay, and if you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable, you connect the laptop for internet, you put cable, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, you take the automatic cable printer, and this here the this white finish driver ready for download. You double click here and extract file, and this here for the you click next and automatic install for the cable USB printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download this driver description the video. You looking the this description the video.